Hormones have a huge impact on our overall health and well-being as they affect everything from our menstrual cycles to health issues, such as PCOS, thyroid, PMT and endometriosis. Nutrition can be a powerful tool when addressing hormone imbalances, as when hormones are in harmony you reclaim your life back. Here are some foods to eat to help restore hormone balance. Eat 2 tablespoons ground flax seeds daily. Flax seeds are the richest dietary source of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen which help balance estrogen levels by promoting estrogen but also getting rid of spent estrogen. Add to your breakfast, to smoothies, soups. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free carbohydrate as well as a whole protein. It can be counted as one of the best foods to balance hormones by keeping female testosterone levels even. Quinoa yields this power due to its higher levels of protein that enable blood sugar stabilization. It also packs phosphorus and magnesium, which can alleviate PMS symptoms and promote sleep. Pomegranates. Not only are pomegranates full of antioxidants, but they're also known to help block excess estrogen production. That makes it an important antioxidant-filled food that could be beneficial in the treatment of hormone-sensitive cancers, including breast cancer. Cherries. This tangy little fruit is rich in melatonin, which aids in restful sleep and itself is important for hormone balance. Cherries are also high in magnesium, which is known for its positive effects on our sleep regimens. Additionally, magnesium can help reduce cortisol and regulate adrenaline in our bodies. Feed your gut microbiome. For hormone production and balance we need to ensure our gut bacteria are flourishing, so eating fermented foods daily, prebiotic foods and probiotic yogurts etc., as well as eating as many different foods as possible in a week will help maintain the diversity you need. Eat whole fruit in moderation. Eating 1 or 2 low-sugar fruits daily, ideally raw, with their skin on, helps keep our blood sugar levels in check and includes all berries, citrus, apples, pears. Dried fruit and fruit juices may spike our blood sugar levels, so should be avoided. Include herbs and spices in your foods. Including an array of fresh herbs and spices, especially those that have anti-inflammatory properties such as ginger, turmeric, sumac, paprika. Garlic will promote hormone harmony as well as ensuring we are adding an array of different nutrients to our meals. Eat good fats daily. Eating good fats is essential for hormone production, as it is these fats that build our hormones as well as reduce inflammation. So always include a portion of fat in each meal, which can come from olive oil, flaxseed oil, avocado oil, raw unsalted nuts or seeds, nut butter and avocados. Eat a rainbow of vegetables. By eating a rainbow of vegetables with a wide variety of colors, we can be sure we are getting different nutrients and a wide variety of different vitamins and minerals. Aim to eat 7 to 8 portions daily. Eat quality protein at every meal. Protein fills us up and keeps us fuller for longer, thus keeping our blood sugar levels balanced. Whether this is animal or plant protein is a personal choice. I would normally recommend a mix of both, and with animal protein to be sure that this is hormone-free, by choosing organic grass-fed meat.